Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Yeah, I look like crap right now. Come here. Here's my assistant.
I'm not an assistant.
He's gonna help me make this dump cake. It's gonna be really. Preheat your oven to 350.
Done. Okay.
Need to go to the store, buy some Oreo
Chocolate chips. Instant pudding. Don't get the pudding where you have to make stuff because this will be a lot better. Something that measures a cup and something that measures a half cup. One big bowl. Need 3 of these. This is a half cup.
Betty Crocker Delight Super Moist Triple Chocolate Cake Mix.
And you're gonna totally ignore all the ingredients up there because what I just showed you guys is gonna be basically all your ingredients.
Crunch up a bunch of Oreos, specifically 1 cup, which is about 8 Oreos. So I measure 3 cups of milk. Forgot to tell you guys
Need 3 of these. This is a half cup milk. Ew! Why did that looks like eggs?
like scrub.
This is basically your egg replacement. There. That's what it looks like when you add milk to it. What you do is just keep whisking this until you see some pudding going on. So while he's mixing that, I'm gonna spray the baking pan 9.5 by 13.
So I'm just gonna spray this all over the pan to make it not sticky.
So after you're done doing all of that, it should look something like that, just like a pudding consistency. Oreos into here.
That looks freaking delicious. Okay. Then
is ready to open it.
So when you're done with all that, it's gonna be like a frosting consistency. It's really, really thick. We thought we did something wrong, but if you Google the ingredients, it's about the same as this.
I don't think it matters.
There's a level 31 Charmander.
Get it!
I don't have any Pokeballs left. No one get that, please don't.
See, a level 6 Meowthie. Meowthie? It's Meowth. Meowth. Whatever.
place like a full Oreo right there in the middle, just to like, I don't know, but make sure to subscribe and like for more cooking content like this, and I'll see you guys later.